Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are doing round one of Street Fighter Alpha 3, and today we have on the left Brandon playing as Zangief, and on the right we have Josh playing Ken. We're going to see what happens in this amazing matchup, and today, which is super exciting, we have, of course, the amazing, awesome Coach Fitz here to jump in this line and see how much damage he can cause today in this bout of champions. And Zangief goes down hard. Brandon has lost the first round. Round two. Fight. Zangief might be taking it down for the second time as well. Ken is doing very well. Some Hadouken action going on here. Oh, this could be it. Is this it? And KO. Brandon goes down, which means that in the next round we have Coach Fitz versus Josh. Okay, here we go. E Honda is being played by Fitz, and of course, we have Josh as Ken. Still, let's see what happens. In the past, Coach Fitz has dominated many of the esports players here at Rains High School. He is amazing right now as he is trying to figure out some of his... Oh, got to make sure the speed is right here. One of the difficulties of this game is you can hit the trigger keys, which speeds up or slows down the play, and we try not to do that to keep it fair. Ooh, E Honda not looking good right now. Oh, hard hit. Is this it? Is this it? Honda comes back in. Oh, KO. Down goes Coach Fitz. If you guys like this, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell icon. Oh, double up right there. Right now, Ken has the upper hand, but E Honda is coming back here, trying to take some damage. Oh, KO, and down goes Coach Fitz. All right, now it is Brandon versus Josh. Once again, E Honda was selected another time, but right now there's a new player. Brandon is in here as E Honda. Let's see what happens, or is Josh just taking the W over and over again? Oh, Hadouken to the face. Oh. Ken with a counter. Good job. Oh, counter hit across the board. And, oh, just barely missed it with that guard there. Oh, and Brandon goes down. Round two. Fight. Man, Josh is totally dominating right now. Man, it's like a woodsman with an axe cutting down that huge oak tree, and oh, that would have been awesome. That would have been a really solid combo right there. Still taking the lead. Get those counters in there. Oh, too far away. And KO. down goes Brandon. Okay, everybody, we are jumping into another fight. On the left-hand side is Coach Fitz as Vega and Colby as Jin. Here we go. We've had a few more minutes of practicing behind the scenes as we jump into this next super contest of Super Street Fighter Alpha 3. Right here at Rains High School in wonderful Emory, Texas. We gotta stay away from those bottom buttons there. We got some good counter hits there. You know, pretty, there we go. Look at that. The little E-Honda move there almost. It's good. Good counter hit. A little bit of defense over by, of course, Jin right now. A little bit of the upper hand. And, oh, hard counter hit there. And there goes Coach Fitz by Vega is down. Colby is now one up as Jin. Round 2. Ooh. Vega coming in strong right now for this round 2. But Jin seems a little OP right now. His hits are hard. Oh, now it's about tied. We'll see what happens. Whether there will be a third round today, or can Colton come out with a W? Oh, right there. And Coach Fitz goes down, and Colton takes the W.
Here comes the new challenger.
Okay, we're in another awesome round. We have over on the left, we have E-Honda is being played by Brandon. And on the right, we have Jin once again by the awesome Colton. Ooh, spam tag versus spam attack. How much spam are we going to have today? Have you guys ever had spam and eggs? I love spam and eggs. Just saying. Oh, they're staying in on it. It's almost 1-for-1 right now in this first round. 64 seconds left. There we go. Oh, counter hit after counter hit after counter hit. This could be it. Can Colton bring on the W once again? Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. Oh, and down goes Brandon as E-Honda. That was close, though. Let's go see what happens in round 2. Round 2. Fight. Have you guys ever seen the movie Spamalot or the Broadway production? It's awesome sauce. Ooh, hard hit. Good job, Brandon. Ooh, coming in with the offensive, a barrage of fists there. A lot of defense right now, a lot of guarding by Colton. Oh, just coming in, striking fast and trying to get out there before E-Honda comes back with his hands of fury. Oh, It could be Brandon. Is there going to go into a round 3? We shall see. Ooh, it is right down to a wire. Oh, it's so close. It is so close. Oh, did y'all see that? That was amazing. So Brandon for the W, and yes, it goes into round 3. All right, round 3. Fart. Here we go. Whoa. Yeah, there we go. Got a little fast there for a second. No bueno, senor. Ooh. At the first, it looked like Colton was coming out pretty strong, but now E-Honda, Brandon's got him in the corner. Double counter. You got to time those kicks just right to jump over that attack. There we go. Ooh. Holy guacamole. Colton still has the upper hand barely, but it is coming down to the end. Yeah. Oh, I thought he had that kick. Oh, this could be it. E-Honda could be coming out on top. This could be it. They are tied. There is tension in the room. My palms are getting sweaty. I don't know about you guys. My knees are weak. I'm choking on my mom's spaghetti, and there it goes. Colton with the W once again. Sorry, but guys, we are jumping back into it right now. Of course, we have Colton over on the right side, and we have playing Caleb over on the left as Ryu, or Ryu if you're an American. It's whatever you want to do. And right now, it is a pretty good matchup right now. Caleb is doing quite well as Ryu. Oh, there we go. Okay. Got the Hadoken right now. Good job, Ryu. Ooh. Coming down to the end of it. And Colton gets the W. Excellent first round. We're going to see what happens as we have Caleb versus Colton, round 2. Oh, that would have been an awesome special right there. If Jin was just a little closer, that would have been amazing. Oh, and the double win for Colton. Great job. All right, we're in it once again today. We have Josh playing as Ken versus, on the right-hand side, our grand champion of today, Colton. And we're going to see what happens, Josh versus Colton. Ken is coming out very strong right now. They are matched up hit for hit right now. Oh, we got to keep the, oh no, can't go too slow. Got to keep it fast. Ooh, double counter. There we go. Now that sounds normal. It was a little crazy. Whoa! Another double counter. Good job by Ken. And there goes. Josh goes down to Colton in round 1. But it was a close bout as we go into round 2. Hard hit by Ken there. Oh, that would have been phenomenal. Last moment, Colton jumped backwards, stopping that special. Oh, Josh comes back, saying back off as we jump into round 3 today. This is going to be an excellent third round today to see what happens. Will Colton fail to Josh? Man, it's coming right out of the gate. This is going very quick right now. Colton not looking the best. Counter strike there, back and forth. Ken, I tell you what, Josh is coming in ready. He's got blood. This could be it. And it is over. Game over, folks. Josh is the champion. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have Josh on the left-hand side versus Coach Fitz on the right as Sodom. Weapons versus non-weapons, what's gonna happen? I don't know about you guys, but I am loving this awesome 90s soundtrack. Oh, look at that! This is a one-way fight right there. Coach Fitz goes down hard as Sodom. All right, round 2 today. Right here at Rains High School. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. It was very much one way last round. Let's see what happens here. A couple of counter hits. Ooh, Ken is not looking good this round. Maybe Coach Fitz has something in store for him. Ooh, I don't know. It's going back and forth. Oh, there it is right there. Rot roast SpaghettiOs. Oh, got that double on there. All it takes is a Hadouken, and there goes Coach Fitz. Total annihilation.
Here comes the new challenger. Select your character. Select your fighting style. Get ready, fighters.
Okay, in this particular round here, right here at Rains High School, we've got over on the right side, we have Brandon playing here as his favorite E Honda, and Josh on the left as Ken. Whoa. And this could be all she wrote. Okay, round 2 right now. Pickup, we have, of course, the first round went to Ken, the amazing Josh, which defeated just a few rounds ago our grand champion Colton, coming in here today in our bracketed play. This is very, very exciting for esports here at Rains High School. Ooh. Brandon is doing quite well, kind of keeping it up. Ooh, that could have been very good. E-Honda just trying to hold on with that guard, and it is over. Down goes Brandon. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.